Hello, my friends. Here is my delicious chocolate cream. It is very easy and quick to do since it only takes 15 minutes to make it, as you will see. It only takes 4 ingredients to make it. Pour the milk, sugar, cornstarch, and chocolate into your saucepan. Place over very low heat, stirring constantly. From the first sign of boiling, count 30 seconds and remove yourself from the heat and continue stirring for 1 minute. When the cream is almost cold, place in the refrigerator for 3 hours. You can taste. It's delicious, you'll see. It only remains for me to wish you a good preparation and to say see you very soon. Goodbye, my friend.